In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Display section available here. Now scroll again, this time to click on Font Size and Style. Operate this slider under font size to adjust it, and when you finished, go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, style of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!